Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use Borderless Commerce to source from 1688 or Taobao using your foreign bank card. So let's get started. So first you gotta register. It's not mandatory, but it makes the process so much easier, where you put your address, your email, and your contact information so that the goods can actually arrive at the final destination. There's also an option I'll show you later about being able to put your own freight forwarder's address if you already have a partner in China. So starting with the options, on the top here you have a search bar, and on the middle you have a search bar. But to keep it simple, I'll stay at the top. So you can select between Taobao and 1688. Well, in this platform, you can actually use keywords to search. So if I want to search on Taobao, I can stay in English and just say Pokemon, and then it's going to talk to the backend system of Taobao and search for your product. You can see here there's different kinds of products. I want to look at these shoes. And you can see it shows you the different sizes of shoes and different colors. If it's a different product, it may have a lot more colors and a lot more sizes, and I can choose a quantity. Now, before you order, you can see the pricing right here in USD, and you can also select two other items. Product inspection is if you want us to take pictures of the product before we ship it overseas to make sure you're good with the product and it meets your needs. So you can add that, and of course, there'll be more labor costs involved. And product consolidation, let's say you have 5 different orders from 5 different factories come in. Well, if you select product consolidation, we can get all the orders into one bag so that it is cheapest for you when it comes to shipping stuff overseas instead of shipping things in different orders one at a time. Once you're satisfied with the goods, you can click on add to cart, or you can buy now. In this example, I'm going to click on buy now. And you can see it's going to ask you for some information. If you don't have an account, you need to fill this in manually. If you do have an account, it populates automatically. So before you go to the purchase, I just want to clarify there's a discount code in here. So if there's a promotion going on that I may be giving you guys, you can type in the discount code and then apply the coupon and get a discount. Make sure your shipping information, your found destination, you put it all in here. Your telephone, your email address, found destination. These are the breakdown of your products. And you have to agree to the terms and conditions. Now for the payment gateways, you can select to pay with either PayPal or use your personal debit or credit card in here, and then you continue on with your payment and you're good to go. Something I want to note is that in the bottom here, you can select an option to ship to my personal freight forwarder. If you don't have it selected, we will use our freight forwarder to ship to your found destination. If you have your own freight forwarder you're ready to do business with, make sure you check it and put the information of the freight forwarder in China here. The address must be in Chinese, not in Pinyin, for us to be able to successfully send it to your freight forwarder. If you have any notes you want to add about your order, like you want to add specific goods, or you want something to be said on the label for the shipping, you can simply click on order notes and type in whatever you need to. And once all of that is said and done, you can finish with the payment and agreeing to the terms and conditions, and you're good to go. So I showed you how to look for stuff on Taobao using keyword search, but there's another way. So Taobao actually has a image search algorithm. So you can just click on the camera, click on the product you want to buy. It checks the backend system and gives you a bunch of recommendations for the product. So let's say you want to buy this frame. Here, everything's in Chinese. You probably don't understand anything it's saying. But on my platform, you can copy this link right here. Go to the home page of Borderless Commerce. Make sure you have Taobao selected. Paste the link. And then just search for the product. And you can see here, everything is in English. It is in a little bit broken English because it uses Google Translate. But you can still select the different kinds of goods. You can see different pictures, different frames, the same options as you were to see in the store right here. You can see it all in English here and buy it on the platform here. Very convenient for you. So you can either search through keywords or through the link. Now let's go through 1688 and let me also type in Pokemon. See what comes up. So I like this statue right here. And you can see this is exactly how it will show on 168 as well. Everything's already included. Everything's in English. It shows you the price. If you want to inspect the product or if you want product consolidation, go ahead and do so. You can add to cart or you can buy now. And you can do the same with the links. So if you see something you like on 1688 here, you can click on the product, copy the link, make sure you have 168 selected, paste the link, and then search for the product. And the last thing I want to discuss with you is the shipping and how it works. So now that you know how to look for your items and how to purchase them, now I'm going to show you the rest of the process. So once you purchase your goods, there's actually one more payment you need to do, and that is when we're getting ready to ship your goods to your final destination. Because we use a freight forwarder, we have to wait until the goods arrive at the freight forwarder so that they can weigh and measure it. After they weigh and measure it, they will give us the cost of the shipping, which we will bill to you. You should get an email saying, hey, you need to pay this bill in order for us to ship the goods. Once the shipping has been paid for, then you can go ahead and just wait like 1 or 2 days and you'll get a tracking number via email about the rest of your order. Now, if you want to estimate how much your shipping costs will be before you purchase your goods, you can click on the shipping estimates. And the shipping estimates is embedded with the DHL platform. You can simply just put in your location, when you're sending your goods, how heavy your goods are, put all the information in there and it'll give you an estimate. In future versions, we do plan to improve this part so it is more transparent to you on what the shipping costs will likely be. And lastly, if you have any inquiries or questions about your orders, you can click on contact us and you can email us at service@borderlesscommerce.net. This is version 1 of the platform and we hope to make this version 2 with your input. We can only make it better and better, but we need your feedback in order to do so.